beneficiaries now. Asafohene and Akwamuhene. Beneficiaries now.
And then you might have two constituencies. And the programming a Subi constituency. You're picking a Nipa 10. After Subi, now kind of Mampani and the Romano Asha. Now you're picking 10 from Asawasa. Subi is not our hand. Asawasa, who are listening to the good has said, who was listening right? I feel representation in there. I try to budget in there. The free Friday, and if I 200 JD and the Nkokɔ Nkitinkiti nabo. JD and the Nkokɔ Nkitinkiti nabo.
And when you find out of the best friend. Say, Obia Betanasi. Baby, I'll say that I know. Wadaroma.
Yeah, me a Kriani. Baby, I'll say that. Me ne say come, me de beton Nkokɔ. Say Jehemo say Obama me Nkokɔ de ya. Me den a me unche. Yo, abusuafo mutie ya ye. Ene nioma ye de aba no. Eye two constituencies. Omo nioma ene ye de aba ha. Baby aye programming eye Subi constituency. Enti ye be pick enipa 10. Afi Subi na Ghana mampanyini e de nioma no ahye omo sa. Na ya pick 10 so from Asawase. Subi list no awa ha. Asawase Moi, mon listening, I'm a true Haseno. Mufasa was a listener. I feel a presentation. We are a try budget. We are a free Friday corner. The two members should be a deeper 200 million. I will be able to do.
Wadaroma. Yewura ejina musini a owa hasei. Eye rep of Otumfuo Asafohene. Osei the second. Ne rep Akwamuhene Asafohene Ajimambonsu. Eye Asafohene Akwamuhene. Nana Wadaroma yebesre na one umpeyifo kakra bi na omampeyi eja nema nyina ahye wonsem ansa. Munkomachi kakra, Madaroma, Mumiako ya chikakra, Otumfuo, Ane Musini, any Asawase beneficiaries no, na Omo Aje. Madaroma. Madaroma, your friend beneficiaries no. Subi, Amankwa Kelvin. Yo, Madaroma, MSA. Omanpeyi enya adinemano ashe. Otumfuo Ane Musini Ensano Madaroma the best na Omapehi etimi ajina konya fefe Bebamucho, Obia Antanasi. Obia Antanasi, Obia Antanasi, Obia Antanasi, Madaroma, Obia Antanasi. Send a bay, I bet my presentation. Miss Jamwa, Obia Antanasi, Obia Antanasi, Obia Antanasi. Madaroma, on my pay, Ejina Punya. On my pay, Ejina Punya. Nefeso. The Lydia Panso, Obu Panso, Madame. Before any other for no Madaroma, Yada Obibia say.
Afei ansa na ọmọ mpanyini bɛkɔ no nipa tan a mo so bi no names re hwan no hwan fama me nipa tan no obi afa na kokɔ na wafa feed mienu na wafa ha mo mpanyini hu sɛ wafa wo de we ye hene subi ɛyɛ amankwa Kevin fa wo de tetetetem wafa feed so bɔtɔ mienu afei Justice Anaman way. No, only one farmer, only one. They sabe can actually oh have justice, okay. Justice for all Shaibu, say back to Hamdi, okay. Apacho your courses here. Hello. Akuya amwanima. Ono so sibi also for Nafa ubagi mienu ntantama na free ho afei asawasefo nsomra mu bi munyina mu banya ba yeme kakrakra afei akala swa aya Frank Asare faudi na akodi feed no maka no mudini nyina ha nyema ni nyina ha ba wo hebre ni ntia nyame ya ma che we ba get fifi ala no ambe ba na mo mi di wo no oba me che nyina no mo anya feed no feed kan wo ha be yi e dia so so after one penny per cent, oh my God, other consequences meaning you register with other, you have more than ever hold the other child will be the master. Subi and I do so, Nipa time Subi Muntiamudi.
Ain't see any demo and paying for the other four.
Bye. Convoy now.